So these are ingredients for today's githeri. Here I have maize and I have pigeon peas. So guys, I want you to tell me, how do we call this, as in ile mahindi jakauka na peas zenye hazijakauka zinaitwaje in English? I want you to comment on the comment section, or the section, that comment section. You write for me what we call the name of this, because me naeza sema as in the, I can call them soft, I'm calling them soft maize and peas. So what you are going to do, we are going to mix these two in this big dish. So remember, my githeri is ratio 1:2. This is the maize. Yes. So you mix them. So the next thing we are going to do is to wash our githeri, not our githeri, our maize and pigeon peas. So as you wash, you make sure you get rid of these unwanted things or particles in the githeri. Like these ones. As you can see now, my githeri is okay. My peas and maize is ready for cooking. As I told you guys, I'll be doing it for 15 minutes. So you need to cover up the dish, your pot, like that. So this is where I'm going to set my time. "15 minutes. Then you press start. So we are going to cook our githeri for 15 minutes. As you can see now, 7 minutes remaining. So guys, you're going to wait until I finish, then I'll show you the outcome on how our githeri looks like. Finally, here we are. Now our githeri has finished cooking. Wow, here is our githeri. It's ready, as you all can see. It only took me 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see now, our githeri is here. It's ready for eating. You can see I've already started eating. I'm just enjoying. Boom. Guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Remember, this is sweet meal for 5. Make sure you subscribe, give a thumb, and also leave a comment down there. And ask you guys, how do we call this? How do we call this maize and peas when they are not dry? Thank you guys. Bye. I'm enjoying my Githeri. I also have a cup of tea over here. I'm eating together with it. It's yummy. Meet the next episode. Bye.
Sweet meals for 5. Sweet meals for 5.